Hello vlog. Oh my god, it's been a minute since we've vlogged and you've never been on the channel. So this is my boyfriend. Not only is this a boyfriend announcement, this is a moving announcement.
Yeah.
Because we're moving to San Antonio, Texas. So today's video is going to be apartment tours. I'm going to take you guys with on all the places that we're looking at, kind of on the outskirts of San Antonio, and show you what we're thinking. Do a little apartment tour. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to the channel because there's going to be so much good moving content coming up soon. But I'm so excited to go tour. We're outside waiting for the Uber right now. He's 1 minute away. I'm literally so excited. Could cry. I hope that this lighting isn't like the worst thing I've ever seen. I think it's really bright.
I look pasty, so it's probably fine.
I'm going to probably vlog a lot on my phone and show you guys the layout of all the apartments. We're mainly looking at 2 and 3 bedroom, and then I'm hopefully gonna get footage of the clubhouse areas and that kind of stuff, so you guys can see the area. I will also have the pricing listed of what these apartments are going for, so you know what's up. But I think our Uber's here, so I'll see you later. First stop on the apartment tours is Presidium, Chase Hill. This apartment complex was just built within the year 2022, so it is brand new, and right now as we're touring these apartments in the spring, we're looking at being the first people living in the units, which is a huge plus, but the pool isn't quite done yet. Everything is brand new. They have just such a gorgeous design. Everything is very modern and sleek and new. You really can't beat brand new. They also had a cycling studio, which I was so excited about. And the gym was 2 levels, so you walk down, there's a whole nother area. They open the garage doors on nice days, so it's like an indoor-outdoor gym, and so many different living clubhouse spaces. Literally amazing property. Going into the apartments, you do have outdoor entries. This first one that we're looking at is a 2-bed, 2-bath. Keep in mind that the pricing that I'm putting on screen for all these apartments and units can totally fluctuate depending on the time of year, the floor level for the unit, and many other things. But anyway, this is the master bedroom. I was obsessed with how many windows were in this space, and it just let in light so beautifully. The bathrooms are one of my favorite things at Presidium because of the under cabinet lighting, and they're just so modern, clean, brand new apartments. You really cannot beat it. It just feels crisp and brand new, of course. So their walk-in closet is through the bathroom in this floor plan, which I actually didn't mind. It was a really big, spacious closet with some built-in hanging and shelving, which is a huge plus. And in the master, you have a stand-up shower as well as a bathtub, double sinks. It is an amazing bathroom, in my opinion. This master bedroom was definitely big enough to fit a king bed, which was one requirement that we had, so it checked that box. The laundry is right through these double doors, and these washer and dryers had smart capabilities. I think you could connect them to an app even. I don't know, it was really cool. And I also loved how big the balconies were. In all of these units, you have so much balcony space, which is of course perfect for Texas. Going into the guest bedroom or office or whatever you want to make it, this one is also really, really great size. It was big and spacious, and I overall really liked this. It also has a large walk-in closet with double doors in this guest bed or office. And again, some hanging shelving situation, which we love. Going into the bathroom here, this would be the guest bath. So there are 2 doors that you can enter in through either the bedroom or through the kitchen area. Again, under cabinet lighting was just such a cherry on top. In the kitchen, this little door is a pantry. I love having a pantry. I think it is huge in a kitchen. And these cabinets also had the lighting, which really just added to the feel of the place, made it feel so nice And I loved this open shelving concept in this floor plan. It was amazing, and I could just see so many ways to make this very aesthetic. But I loved this kitchen. I loved the counters. This was another little closet, a coat closet, so tons of storage space in this particular unit floor plan. The kitchen is one of my favorite things though, hands down. I thought it was absolutely stunning. So at this property, one of the best things was the view of certain units was just absolutely insane. This overlooking golf course view was so breathtaking on the 3rd floor. So going into this unit, we are now looking at a 3-bed, 2-bath floor plan. So a little bit different than the last. As you can see, there are some differences in the kitchen. We're not having those open shelves. We do not have a pantry, and I think other than that, it was very similar. It was a big open kitchen, and it also did have that under cabinet lighting, which I love, as well as the white backsplash. I was obsessed with that design. Even though this floor plan does not have a pantry, it does have lots of cabinet space, so I wasn't feeling like we were missing out with the pantry too much in this layout. But the living space and kitchen overall was just a bit smaller to make room for the 3rd bedroom. Anyway, laundry looks very similar to the last unit, so we have the smart washer and dryer in here. And this was also a little either linen closet. You could probably turn this into a pantry if you did want the extra food storage. But this is the guest bathroom. Again, just the under cabinet lighting makes this layout feel so much more luxurious. Going into one of the guest bedrooms or offices, whichever you would prefer to make this space, it is definitely a smaller size bedroom. If you were to put a bed in here, it did have a walk-in closet, but this is another little guest room, and both of these felt very small if they were bedrooms, but if they were offices, I would feel like you had plenty of space. So depending on what you were doing with these 2 rooms, they were on the smaller side for bedrooms, in my opinion. Going through this hallway and through the kitchen on the other side of the layout, we have the master bedroom, master suite area. So compared to the 2-bedroom layout, this master bedroom was definitely smaller, only has 1 window. The other floor plan had multiple windows in the master, which I loved. But the bathrooms were very similar. Again, you have the double sinks, the gorgeous lighting, and you also had the stand-up shower as well as a bathtub, both in the master. You did walk through the bathroom again to get to the large walk-in closet. Lots of space in here, and I love the bathrooms at Presidium. Also in this layout, you did have like a little linen closet back here. So again, tons of storage options and just overall a very good bathroom layout. These are like the best bathrooms. The next property we toured was called Infinity at the Rim. Now, location-wise, right off the bat, the Rim is a much busier area than Presidium was located, so it definitely felt like more city living, more hustle and bustle over here, but they had lots of community areas, as you can see, lots of areas to hang out other than the apartments, and outdoor areas as well. So we have the pool over here, some golf simulators, lots of community areas, especially outdoor community areas, a gym as well located on property, and many courtyards to play, to relax, lots of fun outdoor spaces, and a rooftop. I thought this was so cool. They had grills out here so you can invite friends or whatnot, and there's so many spaces to have lots of people to accommodate and gorgeous views. So the unit that we toured here was a 2-bed, 2-bath. This was a walkthrough model, but okay, first off, this mirror has an LED touch button, so cool. Anyway, this one was furnished, so a very different feel than the last apartment we toured for sure. To see stuff in the space is very different, but this one also had a walk-in closet. This was the guest room and guest closet over here, with the bathroom that had access from the kitchen. Through this bedroom, you can head right out to the balcony, and this one was overlooking one of the courtyards. It was a good sized balcony, definitely room for some nice outdoor furniture and a good chill space. I personally thought these corner units were a bit strange, and I didn't feel like they let in a ton of light, but this was the master bedroom in this layout. Definitely a great size master. Big bed in here, plenty of space, and again, another great walk-in closet. And I really liked the bathroom in this layout. Was so cool with the countertop and the L-shaped double sinks. You also got a walk-in shower in this unit floor plan, but the kitchen was kind of set back here. I did love the white countertops. The LED under cabinet lighting, of course, is like my favorite thing. But because the layout was a corner unit with some weird windows, I just felt like it was a bit dark in this space. It did have a great washer and dryer setup, tons of room to do your laundry here, and a good sized living space. The last property we toured is called Retreat at the Rim, and this is located in the same area as Infinity at the Rim. The clubhouse was great, very spacious, and big tall ceilings, which made it feel even more luxurious, really nice. A lot of fun things to do in this clubhouse, some games, a little kitchen-y bar area, and of course outside we do have the pool. We toured this at an early time on a weekday, so it was very dead, but we also drove by the pool area on a weekend and it was packed. So if you do love a fun pool area, this is a great place. It was poppin' on the weekend. Tons of people having a great time out here. But I loved the little chairs, lots of space here, and the little workout facility is located in a different building out from the clubhouse, which I really liked. It felt secluded, like its own gym, and it also had a cycle studio. So I thought that was a really great touch and a great bonus amenity you got at this property. We toured a 2-bed, 2-bath here, and I loved this walk-in hallway area with plenty of space for coats and shoes, and just really open and felt homey when you came in the door here. It also had some coat closets and storage as well, which is always great for an apartment to see lots of storage. The laundry was located over here, a good amount of space, of course a little hanging drying rack, which is great. And then right away this door is your guest bathroom. So this connects to the guest room as well, but it was a smaller bathroom, good size for a guest bathroom. The tub in here was actually huge, such a large soaking tub for an apartment. I absolutely loved that. And this little guest room was pretty standard size, I would say, whether it is a bedroom or an office. It was very comparable to the other guest rooms that we're seeing in apartments. It also had a walk-in closet. I love the double windows. It gave such good lighting into this room. And of course, hanging and shelving space in here as well. Through here you go right into the living space, and over on the left we have the master bedroom, master suite area. So not too much of a bigger room compared to the guest room, and this one only had one window, but the bathroom in this one was great. Definitely felt like a master bedroom here with the double sinks and a bigger floor plan for a bathroom. So you got the soaking tub on the left, again, such a large soaking tub, I love that, as well as the stand-up shower right next to each other. And through the bathroom here, we had a walk-in closet with hanging and shelves, really great sized closet, plenty of space for 2 people's clothes if you are using it as a master. So I thought it was a really great option, and I would say a decent sized master bedroom. The kitchen and living area was probably my favorite part. It was definitely a smaller sized living room, but the kitchen made up for it with these big floor to ceiling corner windows. I was obsessed with this. I love a corner window. There were also different units that had the potential of looking over more of a tree and foresty looking area as opposed to a parking lot. So a lot of different units and options here, but I really did like this kitchen. It was open and a good size for a 2-bedroom apartment kitchen, I would say. Again, I love the under cabinet lighting. It just makes it feel a little bit more luxurious and just a great touch to the apartment overall. I completely forgot to film an outro to this video, so that is it. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all of the apartment and moving content coming soon. I'm so excited to share this journey with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.